Hi friends, welcome to tutorials. In this video we are going to discuss about custom pipes. We have already discussed about different types of pipes like inbuilt pipes and other types of pipes. And in this video we are going to discuss about custom pipes in Angular. So basically what happens in pipes, suppose here we are using here custom pipe, so this is the class name. Then we will be implementing this pipe transform. This pipe transform is an interface, built-in interface, right? And inside this there is a function called transform. So when we call this interface, it is compulsory that we need to call this function as well, transform. And this function takes few parameter, and whenever we pass the data inside this parameter, then it transforms, it changes, and it returns some value, and based on this we display into HTML. So let's start with practical example. So first we will install a new uh, application, and then we will work on these custom pipes. So let's open your command prompt, and here ng new uh, custom pipes. So we are going to install a new application here, and then here cd and npm start. And in the meantime, let's open here Visual Studio Code as well. So this is our, then just click on this, then let's click on app, and then app.component.js. Now let's create here one array. Let's keep it persons any persons, data type will be any, and then equals to here, then square bracket here because it's array, and inside this there will be, so here the id is 001, the name Karim Khan, date of birth this, gender male, and he's paying rent this. So let's just copy this and put some other as well, and id 002, 003, name here Shankar Kumar, then here Neha, then female here. So let's just copy one more here, female, and then this rent. Now here, okay, let's do one thing. Now let's show this data into this app component.html. So delete everything and table, then here th the head, and here th first, or id, name, gender, and then finally there will be rent. Okay, and here t body, and then tr, so here, and then td. So 1 2 3 4 5, there will be 5 td, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and here ng4 star ng4 equals to let persons of person, person of, so here it is saying persons doesn't exist. Okay, there is spelling mistake actually here. So now name it as person. In table style width equals to 50%. Border 1px solid and red. Now let's check into the browser. So it's right here, localhost 4200. The data is not coming. Okay, the data is not coming because we have not put here the data, that's why. So here will be id and then person.id actually, person.id, here will be person.name, then person dot it's dob, right? Dob, person.dob, and then here pipe sign, date, and then mmddyy, this date format, and gender here, person.gender, here dob, and person.gender, g is capital, and here no, this one is gender, right? So gender, and then this one is id, so it's capital id, name n is capital, and the dob is already there, and then gender, so let's delete one of these, and then rent. So now let's check. Yes, the value is coming here, as you can see, id, and the name, dob, date of birth, and then male, female, and rent. So what I want here, we will create a custom pipe where if it's male, then it will show Mr., and if female, in that case it will show Miss or Mrs. So how we can do that? We will create a custom pipe, right? For that, let's go here and Control C, Y. Let's create one pipe. So we write here ngg pipe, here pipe name. So I'll name it as custom, and then press enter. Okay, pipe, it has been created, custom pipe.ts. Now let's go here, and then in app module.ts file, this has been also called here custom pipes. So here, if you open this file custom pipe.ts, then you can see that a decorator called pipe @pipe has been created, and the name of the uh, pipe is custom. And here our class name is custom pipe, which implements the pipe transform, which is uh, an interface, and this interface contains this function or method. Inside this there is argument. Okay, so we write here value. So here I will write name, and then it will be string, and here gender, then this will be also string, and inside this we will write if, and it will be not or not, it will be string as well. So here we will write if gender dot to lowercase equals to male. In that case, so this is a function, so here we need to pass it like this, in male, then return here Mr., then semicolon, else it will return Mrs. And here plus name, plus this name will show here, and here also plus names. So if the name is Karim Khan, then Mr. Karim Khan, it will be like that. Mrs. Neha, like this. Now we will implement this pipe into, so let's call here in app component as well. So import uh, what its name, its name is custom pipe from module. Here we have called this custom pipe. It's not required actually here. So what we need to do here, where we have written person name, then we will write here pipe, and our pipe name is custom, right? Which one? Here, this is our pipe name, custom. So we have just passed here custom dot person dot gender. So it should show Mr. Uh, this name. Now if you check here into the browser, then you can see it is displaying here Mr. Kareem Khan, Mr. Shankar Kumar, Mr. Neha Khan, Mr. Meena Kumari, Mrs. Meena Kumari. So wherever there is a gender female, so it is transforming to Miss, and wherever there is male, then it is applying male. So how actually this works? If you go here, then what happens here? We are passing. Let's compare this one, these two here. There are two parameters here, right? This one is passing here, this name is passing here, and this gender is passing here. And finally it checks the gender. If it's male, then it shows Mr. If female, then it shows Mrs. It changes to Mrs. And finally we are calling this custom pipe to gender, then it display here male or female based on that Mr. or Mrs. So this is the way you can apply custom pipe, create your own pipe, and you can apply this pipe as well. So that's it in this custom pipe. So thanks for watching. Still, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, and also write your valuable opinion in comment box. So thanks for watching.